rito ritkorerero ya wizara ya chigosori yanyora umoroberio bene okoigorwa kwa abisi chinene chia wizara ya chigosori umoroberekana niguno muraibwense William Samoei Ruto abwase enyumba ya Talanta Plaza nyarakobaga ikogoru bene enyumba yomo waziri bwe chigosori ababu Namwamba tabura negento kiengencho monase wizara yaye yose myake menganyare koba etabwati obisi bene egotendera mangana ali arinse ya wizara ya chigosori amuna mangana ringeta sai.
Your Excellency, the building you have unveiled here today, appropriately named Talanta Plaza, is a symbol and a testament of the incredible work that your government has done in a brief, less than 12 months in office. When we came to office, Your Excellency, we found an abandoned building, an abandoned construction site, and in less than 1 year, Your Excellency, you can see the results of the work of your government. This building is now going to be the home of the Ministry of Youth Affairs, the Arts and Sports. It is a significant milestone for this ministry, Your Excellency, because this ministry has been scattered all over the place. The ministry is at the library, the ministry is at Kencom House, the ministry is at Bruce House, the ministry is at NSSF House, the ministry is all over and everywhere, which has made it very difficult to coherently coordinate activities of this ministry. Now the ministry can have one roof, which will make it easy to see